Have you ever noticed how some men seem to effortlessly captivate women without lifting a finger? It's almost as if women are naturally drawn to them, eager to know more, eager to chase. The truth is, this isn't luck, it's psychology. Imagine flipping the script, where instead of you chasing her, she's chasing you. Sounds impossible? Stick with me, and I'll show you the 5 psychological tricks that make this not only possible, but inevitable. Let's get real for a moment. Most men are stuck in the same cycle, sending good morning texts, trying too hard to please, constantly chasing, and wondering why it never works. The truth is, attraction doesn't work that way. Women aren't drawn to men who smother them with attention or who put them on a pedestal. What really works is understanding the psychology of attraction and using it to your advantage. These tricks aren't about playing games. They're about building genuine attraction by becoming the kind of man women naturally gravitate toward. By the end of this video, you'll understand the secrets to flipping the dynamic, so women are the ones pursuing you. Trick number 1, the power of scarcity. Here's a fact: what's rare is valuable. When you're always available, always texting, and always there, you're essentially telling her, I'm not a priority to myself, so I'm making you my priority. And guess what? That's not attractive. Instead, create a sense of scarcity. Don't always be the first to reply to her messages. Show her that your time is valuable by being selective about when and how you give it. Imagine this. You text her good morning every day. She appreciates it at first, but over time, it becomes predictable and loses its charm. Now imagine texting her sporadically, when you have something meaningful to say, or when there's a reason to connect. Suddenly, she starts to wonder about you, about what's keeping you busy. That curiosity alone can spark attraction. Pause and reflect. How much would a diamond be worth if it was as common as gravel? Scarcity equals value. You must present yourself as a man whose time and attention are worth chasing. Trick number 2, the mystery effect. Have you ever been drawn to a movie trailer that gives away too much? Probably not. The same goes for attraction. If you reveal every detail about yourself up front, you take away the excitement of discovery. Women are naturally curious. They want to peel back the layers and uncover the mystery. Here's how to use this. When she asks about you, don't lay out your entire life story. Instead, give her a taste. For instance, if she asks about your hobbies, you might say, I'm really into a few unique things. I'll tell you about one, but you'll have to guess the rest. This playful approach keeps her intrigued. Remember, curiosity keeps people engaged. When she doesn't know everything about you, her mind will constantly wander back to you, trying to figure you out. Trick number 3, emotional anchoring. Here's a powerful psychological truth. People are drawn to those who make them feel something special. If you can create emotional highs when she's with you, she'll associate those feelings with you and want to experience them again. For example, let's say you plan a date that's out of the ordinary, a late-night drive to watch the stars, a spontaneous adventure, or even a deep, meaningful conversation that touches her heart. These moments leave a lasting imprint in her mind. When she's not with you, she'll replay those memories, and the emotions tied to them will make her want to reach out. The goal isn't to impress her, but to create moments that she'll associate with you forever. Trick number 4, confidence without arrogance. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a man can have. But here's the catch. Confidence isn't about bragging or trying to prove you're better than others. True confidence is quiet, assured, and unshakable. How to show it? Speak with certainty, maintain good posture, and make decisions without hesitation. If you're on a date and she asks, "Where should we go next?" Don't say, "I don't know. What do you want?" Instead, confidently suggest an idea. "Let's grab dessert at this place I know. You'll love it." Here's the real kicker. Confidence doesn't mean pretending to be something you're not. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, knowing your worth, and not needing validation from her or anyone else. When you exude this energy, women can't help but take notice and chase. Trick number 5, create subtle competition. This one taps into basic human psychology. We want what others value. When a woman sees that other people admire and respect you, whether it's your friends, colleagues, or even other women, it instantly makes you more desirable. Now, this doesn't mean making her jealous in a manipulative way. Instead, focus on building a fulfilling life that naturally demonstrates your value. Be passionate about your hobbies, excel in your career, and surround yourself with a supportive social circle. Picture this. She sees you at a party, engaging confidently with others, making people laugh, and being the center of positive energy. She'll think, "Wow, this guy is incredible. I want to be a part of his world." Important. This isn't about bragging. It's about letting your actions speak for themselves. When she sees that other people value you, she'll naturally want to compete for your attention. So, let's wrap this up. Here are the 5 psychological tricks to make any woman chase you. Use scarcity to make your time and attention valuable. Keep her intrigued with a sense of mystery. Create emotional moments that leave a lasting impression. Show unwavering confidence without arrogance. Let your value shine through subtle competition. Remember, these aren't about manipulation. They're about becoming the best version of yourself. When you embody these traits, you'll naturally attract the right women into your life. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tricks will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, confidence isn't just attractive, it's a way of life.